Hi guys! Did you know that the first Friday on June is Donut Day? Well, I didn't know until just lately and I decided I don't want to miss this day. So today I'm going to share with you a delicious donut recipe for strawberry donuts, but I'm putting a twist on them. So let's get started with the recipe. I don't know if these are a thing, but I think these little donut cakes should be a thing. They're perfect for the summer. Well, this strawberry version is definitely perfect for the summer because of the fresh strawberries, and they add so much flavor to these little donuts, and I absolutely love the idea of these because I think you can serve them like little cakes at your summer parties. If you enjoyed my recipe, you know what to do. Don't forget that thumbs up for support. And also, if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.